Unit 6.3 Using conductors and insulators in electrical appliances. There are three objects A, B, and C. Identify each of these electrical appliances. A is an electric kettle, B is an electric hairdryer, and C is an electric mixer. What strength of electricity do these appliances use? They use 110 volts or 220 volts. You hold each of these appliances in your hand to use them. Which material is used for the part of the appliance you hold? Plastic. Is this material an electrical conductor or an electrical insulator? Plastic is an electrical insulator. Why does this make the appliance safe to use? And where are the electrical conductors in these appliances? An electrical insulator do not conduct electricity, and wires are the electrical conductors in these appliances. Here's a picture of a kitchen. Name the electrical appliance used in the picture. An electric kettle. Identify two dangers in using this appliance. Use these words in your answer. The plastic insulation on the electric wire has worn off. This exposes the metal wire. The metal wire conducts electricity, so if a person touches the wire, they will get an electric shock. The electricity for electrical appliances at home come from big cables outside. You may have seen these cables strung from big structures called pylons, like the photograph below. The pylons are made of metal. There are lots of cables carrying the electricity. It is important to keep the cables apart. To do this, they use ceramic separators. Ceramic is clay. You can see these on the second photograph. On the second photograph, label pylon, cable, and ceramic separator next to the label lines. Why are the cables made of metal? The cables are made of metal because metal is a good conductor of electricity. What type of metal do you think cables are made from? Copper. Why are the separators made of ceramic? The separators are made of ceramic because ceramic is a good insulator of electricity. Arun and Marcus are flying their remote control helicopter. The wind blows and the helicopter gets caught in the cables on a pylon. Let's climb up the pylon and get it back, says Arun. Do you think they should do this? Explain your answer. Arun and Marcus both must not climb the pylon because they could fall, and if they touch the cables, they will get an electric shock, which can kill them.